All right, so y'all, this is number 6 out of 3.4, and let's see what we're doing here. It says find the polynomial function of least degree having the graph shown. Okay, so let's take a look here. We have a couple of x-intercepts, so one of them is x is equal to -5, and the other one is x is equal to 3. But I want you to notice something. Here on the graph, when we hit that x-intercept, it hits it and it bounces off. What that means is that this intercept occurs twice. So we're going to have another one at x equals 3. Okay, there's actually 2 of them there. Anytime it does that little bounce, so there's more bounce to the ounce, then it's going to occur 2 times, okay? So here are my x-intercepts, okay? And then now what I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to write out my factors. Okay, so my factors are going to be, when I move that -5 over, it's going to be an x plus 5. When I move this 3 over, it's going to be an x minus 3, and we're going to have 2 of them, right? Because we got this one here and that one there. Okay, so now I'm going to write out my polynomial. It's going to look like this. F of x equals a, what was it, x plus 5, and x minus 3, the whole thing being squared. Okay, there's another piece of information we know. We have that point there on our graph. So remember, this is the x value, the 0, and the y is at 9. So what I'm going to do here is, remember, f of x is the same thing as y, right? So we know that's 9 when x is the number 0. Okay, so now we're going to solve for the letter a. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 minus 3 is a -3, still being squared. This is a times 5. -3 squared is 9. So 5 times 9 is a 45 with an a. So when we divide both sides by 45, we're going to get a, we can reduce this to 1 over 5. Okay? So what I'm going to do now, y'all, is I'm just going to come back over here, and instead of writing this a, I'm going to write 1 over 5. So my answer is going to be f of x equals 1 over 5, x plus 5, and then x minus 3, all being squared.